Yeah, hi, this is Dr. Satish. We have solved the previous problem, and now the second problem is finding out the coordinates of point A, where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is given and the B point is given. So I have already done the problem here for more understanding in order to explain it more clearly. So this is my circle, and the point, the center is given as 2 comma minus 3, okay, 2 comma minus 3, and B is given as 1 comma 4, okay. So you know the diameter is nothing but this line AB, okay, right, and C is the center. So C is the center means it divides the diameter into two equal parts. AC is equal to CB. So the ratio is 1:1. Your lambda is to 1 is nothing but equal to 1:1. So diameter is nothing but your AB. Okay. Now since the ratio is 1:1 or m:n is 1:1, you can use the formula C 2 comma minus 3 is equal to, so 1 into lambda into or 1:m into x2 plus n into x, right, divided by 1 plus 1. Similarly, this one is 1 into 4 plus 1 into y divided by 1 plus 1. So this should be equal to 2 comma. So I am equating the x coordinates here. So 2 is equal to 1 into 1 is 1 plus x divided by 2. So we have 1 plus x equal to 4. So x is equal to 3. Similarly, equating the y coordinates, 4 plus y by 2 is equal to the y coordinate is minus 3, so minus 3. So cross multiply it, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 equal to 4 plus y, so y will be equal to minus 10. So your coordinates of x are 3 comma minus 10. Okay, so this is how you try to find out the point A, because, and also you know this diameter is nothing but 2 times radius. So AC is your radius, which is equal to the radius C comma B. The diameter may be this one or any line joining both the circumference of the circle. Okay, joining 2 points of the circumference of the circle and going through the center of the circle. Okay, so this is nothing but your problem on the circle part, where 2 points are given making the diameter, and here you need to remember that center means it divides the diameter into two equal parts. Those two equal parts nothing but your radius. So diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. What we have done using the section formula, we have done once again calculated the formula. So C of 2 comma minus 3 is given by this formula, and you can calculate equating the ordinates. This is one of the very important problems generally asked in the examination. There is another important problem which I have not told you about, but I just give you a glance about that problem. So if there is a rhombus given to you with all the 4 coordinates, okay, with all the 4 coordinates, and they may ask you to find out the area of the rhombus. So there is a rhombus given here, okay, rhombus is given to you, right, the rhombus is given to you, just the coordinates are given to you. A, so this is your rhombus, A, B, C and D. Okay, let me take the coordinates. Take it as 3 comma 0, okay, B as 4 comma 5, C as minus 1 comma 4, and D as minus 2 comma minus 1. They are asking you to find out the area of the rhombus. So how do you do it? So area of a rhombus, okay, area of a rhombus is given by the formula half into the product of the two diagonals. Diagonals are AC and half into AC into BD. AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. We have two diagonals, right? So AC and BD, how do you calculate? AC is nothing but the distance between 2 points AC, which you have started at the start of the coordinate geometry. So AC you can calculate. So AC is given by using your formula root over x2 minus x1. So minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. So this is nothing but root over minus 3 minus 4 is minus 4 whole square is 16 plus 16 root 32. Similarly, BD is nothing but root over x2 minus x1. 4 minus of minus 2 is 4 minus of minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 1 whole square. So this is equal to root over